I'm Lisa Lowes, the Programme Director for Northern Lights Film Festival. We are sat now in the Tyneside Cinema, which is a beautiful restored newsreel theatre, and I'm sat in amongst all this amazing equipment that NorthernNet's got. We're really interested to see how a film festival can benefit from using these sorts of facilities, so we're looking into how Northern Lights can make best use of it. The really obvious ways are things through our industry day where we can do video conferencing, and we can make sure that we've got speakers in Manchester and Leeds and Yorkshire who we don't need to necessarily bring up, but who can take part in discussions and things. I'm hoping that we can figure out a way of working in partnership not only with places like the Tyneside Cinema where we're based now, but also the Corner House, Fact, Showroom in Sheffield, other venues as well, so that the festival could have a wider reach. And I'm also quite curious, Northern Lights does a lot of kind of challenges where we try and make people collaborate on different projects and just experiment and have fun. Northern Lights is really interested in collaboration, so I think NorthernNet might be really useful for helping us do collaborative projects with other parts in the north and other places in Europe and wider. Northern Lights really likes to set challenges and to encourage people to collaborate and take risks, and I think NorthernNet could really help us collaborate with people in the north and wider because we'll be able to set challenges and send information securely down a very high-speed net. I think NorthernNet can open up a lot of new opportunities because it can help us collaborate with people in a much easier, much quicker and a much safer way, so that we can really use the facilities on hand to connect with the rest of the north and the rest of the world. I think Northern Lights would really benefit from being able to just use the facility when it needs to, so the pay-as-you-go option would really work for us. I think the main reason it would work is that we don't need it all year round. We'll only need it for specific projects, specific challenges, and to communicate with specific companies, so we would know that we would only need it for, say, an hour at a time. Northern Lights, I think it was back in 2003, did an exchange of directors from Estonia to Newcastle and vice versa, and I think it'd be really interesting to see how we could do something similar with NorthernNet, where you would perhaps exchange editors or exchange virtually. So I think that'd be really interesting to see how this technology can take that original challenge and move it forward.